let's look at how to find cubes from 11 to 100 in less than a minute. A cube is basically one number multiplied over and over again 3 times. So, for example, 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1. For this, we have to know the cubes from 1 till 10. 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which gives you a product of 1. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which gives you a product of 8. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which gives you a product of 27. You get the idea. So 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125. 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343. 8 cubed is 512. 9 cubed is 729. And 10 cubed is 1000. Now we have to know some terms. Let's look at balancing. Balancing is basically dropping the digit in the ones place to your answer and carrying over the rest of the digits to the next number. You'll get a better idea of this when we get to our examples. Now let's look at the term AB cubed. AB represents a 2-digit number. A represents the digit in the tens place, and B represents the digit in the ones place. Now let's get to our formula. Our formula is A cubed, balancing line, 3AB times A, balancing line, 3AB times B, balancing line, and B cubed. Remember to always start from the right when you're using this formula. Let's look at 46 cubed. Since 4 is in the tens place, A represents 4, and since 6 is in the ones place, B represents 6. Now let's put these digits into our formula. Remember to start from the right. So B cubed is 6 cubed. 3AB times B is 3 times 4 times 6 whole times 6. 3AB times A is 3 times 4 times 6 times 4, and A cubed is 4 cubed. Now we have to find the values of these. 6 cubed is basically 6 times 6 times 6, which gives you 216. Write your balancing line. And 3 times 4 times 6 times 6 gives you 432. Draw your balancing line, and 3 times 4 times 6 times 4 gives you 288. Draw your balancing line, and 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4, gives you 64. Now we have to balance this. So drop your digit in the ones place and carry the rest of the digits over to the next number. So in 216, the digit in the ones place is 6. Drop 6 to your answer and carry over the 21. Now add 432 plus 21. 432 plus 21 is 453. In 453, the digit in the ones place is 3. So drop your 3 and carry over the 45 to 288. 288 plus 45 is 333. In 333, the digit in the ones place is 3. So drop your 3 to the answer and carry over the 33 to 64. 64 plus 33 is 97. You can't balance it anymore, so you have to drop the 97 to your answer. Now your total answer is 97336. Let's look at 54 cubed. The 5 is in the tens place, so A represents 5, and the 4 is in the ones place, so B represents 4. Now let's substitute these numbers into our formula, starting from the right. B cubed. B represents 4, so it's 4 cubed. 3AB times B. 3 times A, which is 5, B, which is 4, whole times B, which is 4. So 3 times 5 times 4, whole times 4. 3AB times A. 3 times A, which is 5, B, which is 4, and A, which is 5. So 3 times 5 times 4, whole times 5, and A cubed, which is 5 cubed. Now let's find the values. 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 3 times, put a balancing line, 3 times 5 times 4, whole times 4, which is 240. Balancing line. 3 times 5 times 4 times 5, which is 300. Balancing line. And 5 cubed, which is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. Now we have to balance. Drop the 6 from 64 and then carry over the 4. 240 plus 6 is 246. The 6 is in the ones place, so drop the 6 and carry over the 24. 300 plus 24 is 324. The 4 is in the ones place, so drop the 4 and carry over the 32. 125 plus 32 is 157. Since you can't balance it, you have to drop the whole thing. So your answer is 157464. Let's look at 73 cubed. Since 7 is in the tens place, A represents 7. And since 3 is in the ones place, B represents 3. Now let's substitute these values into our formula. Remember to start from the right. B cubed is 3 cubed. Make sure to put your balancing lines in between. 3AB times B. 3 times A, which is 7, B, which is 3, whole times B, which is 3. So 3 times 7 times 3, whole times 3. And then 3AB times A, which is 3 times A, which is 7, B, which is 3, and whole times A, which is 7. So 3 times 7 times 3, whole times 7. And 7 and A cubed. A, so 7 cubed. Now you have to find the values. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Balancing line. 3 times 7 times 3 times 3 is 189. Balancing line. 3 times 7 times 3 times 7 is 441. Balancing line. And 7 cubed, which is 7 times 7 times 7, is 343. Now we have to balance this. In 27, the digit in the ones place is 7, so you drop down the 7 to your answer and carry the 2. 189 plus 2 is 191. In 191, the digit in the ones place is 1, so you drop your 1 into the answer and carry the 19. 441 plus 19 is 460. The 0 is in the ones place, so drop the 0 and carry the 46. And 343 plus 46 is 389. Since you can't go on, you have to drop 389. So your total answer is 389017.